Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using pinned tweets. Let's get started. First, what is a pinned tweet? Pinned tweets are tweets that stay on the top of your profile. When people visit your profile, it's the first thing that they see, regardless of when you tweet it. It can be a normal tweet, a product, an offer, a promotion of your recent work, or anything relevant to your niche. Using pinned tweets is a small-scale action, but it gives you a lot of benefits to having more engagements. Pinning tweets is one example of optimizing your profile. Let me show you how to pin a tweet. First, find the tweet that you want to pin. Click this button from the pop-up menu. Click Pin to your profile. Hit Pin again when Twitter asks you to confirm or cancel. Now go back to your Twitter profile and refresh your browser to make sure that your pinned tweet is there. That is how easy you can pin a tweet. Here are the benefits of using pinned tweets. It gives you a great impression on your new followers or people who just discovered your profile or brand. It gives the new visitors a short introduction of who you are and what you do. It is sort of an enhanced bio for your profile. Pinned tweets helps you establish what your brand is all about, because a pinned tweet is the first tweet that a person sees when they check out your profile. This means that whatever is written on your pinned tweet has more weight than the rest of the tweets. Pinned tweets helps you to promote content for free. The content in your pinned tweet promotes whatever you choose, and you can promote it for free. You could pin a tweet with your latest blog post, an ebook, a coupon, a free offer, or a new product. Tweets with the most interaction will be highlighted when pinned, and it also gives you more engagement. You can take advantage of trends and promote it as pinned tweets. If people in your niche have a particular trend or a product they like that is trending, then you can make a certain topic around that trend. Here are some examples. Patrick Bet-David, an Iranian entrepreneur, has a pinned tweet where he is on stage with Kevin Hart, an actor, comedian, and producer. With this pinned tweet, Patrick promotes his career highlights. Next, Robert Downey Jr., who casted as Iron Man in the MCU movies, pinned a tweet where he promotes his new movie or project. Next, Gary Vaynerchuk, an entrepreneur, optimized his pinned tweet to show people that he is looking for companies who sells masks so he can donate them. Next, Dua Lipa, a singer-songwriter, used pinned tweets to promote her newest single with links to different streaming platforms. Jimmy Fallon, an American comedian actor, television host, writer, and producer, used his pinned tweet to highlight his latest comedy skit. So as you can see, pinned tweets has tons of benefits with little time and effort. It allows you to establish your brand on the first impression, promote your latest content for new visitors, helps you sell an offer, and maximize your tweet with the most engagements. Now that you know about using pinned tweets, we can now proceed to the next topic, getting the blue tick. I'll see you there.